Hi guys, so you are here so that we can show you how to access the Baker's Tax and Accounting Service portal. All right, so if you're a new client, you do not have an account set up yet, you need to call us at 202-563-7640 so that we can walk you through the process of getting your account set up. Then you can come back over to the portal and you can use these access instructions. So for our returning clients, I'm going to show you a few ways that you can get the portal link, but I'm also going to show you what to do once you're at the login screen, because that can sometimes be confusing. Once you're inside the portal, we'll do a whole other video for that. So right now, let's just talk about access. All right, so you are Stevie Wonder and you have already called in to schedule your appointment. So you received an appointment confirmation email. This is one of the ways that you can access your client portal, okay? So you'll notice hyperlinks inside of the email. There are 2 hyperlinks on here that will take you to your client portal login page. So let's just click on create/access portal here. So obviously it says create because if you're a new client, you can actually create your portal access here. If you've already accessed it before, you can just access it from here. So you click on here and it's going to take you to the client portal login page. All right, once you're here, you'll see our logo. If you don't see that, you're in the wrong place. We do have some frequently asked questions that we can go over later. We are here to access this portal. So Mr. Wonder is here. He's going to enter his social security number. So let's put this in, and then we're going to put in his password. And we're going to log in. That simple. It is going to say we need to go in and update the password. We're going to change this password to something. All right. And we're going to mix it up like it says. It needs to be a minimum of 8 characters, upper and lowercase. It's not going to let you do it until you've done it right. All right. So okay, I'm going to confirm it. It says they don't match. We're going to make it match. It's not going to let you do it until you make it match. So once you've done all that, one of the things to know about the portal is that you must click save pretty much behind everything you do. If you don't save it, it will not save, and everything you do will be for nothing. Okay, so follow the prompts. It's a pretty user-friendly, very easy to do. All right, so do we want to update our information? Okay, yes we do. So it is saved now. Save the password. Everything is beautiful and we're in there. All right, we have accessed the portal and we're excited. So that's all there is for today. Let's just say Mr. Wonder tried to access the portal, but he got his password wrong or doesn't remember it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and just type it in. We're gonna type in the wrong thing. It's gonna tell us that the records don't match. Like I'm beating a drum. If you've forgotten your password, click the link, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do forgot password. We're gonna enter his email address because we have that on file. We're gonna just do the test email that we've set up for Mr. Wonderful. All right, and then we're going to enter the social security number that we have on file for him, or that you know your social security number is. Okay, and we're going to request this new password, and once that's done, we will receive an email, and we got our text message. Okay, so inside the body of the text, it's going to give us a temporary ID, or we can get it from the email. But in the meantime, we have this new temporary password. So we're going to go in that we have from our text message. All right. I don't know if you can see that, but we got a text with the temporary ID. All right. So we're going to go ahead and put that in. And this temporary password needs to look exactly like the password's supposed to look. So if it has caps, make sure you put the caps. If it's lowercase, make sure you put lowercase. And then it's going to ask us to change the password again. Once we change the password again, then we're going to save it again. So let's just go through that process. All right. We remember that it must have an uppercase letter, a character, and a number. All right. And it must be a certain length, but it'll tell you what that should be if for some reason we do that incorrectly. All right. So we're going to save it. We're going to update it, and we're done. Easy peasy. All right. So if you forgot your password, you need to access the portal, you can do it through many ways. You can also go right on our website at www.bakerstaxservice.com. Once you're there, guess what? It's a client portal link. So here we are. So there are so many ways you can access the portal. But if you have any questions, obviously, give us a call, 202-563-7640, and we'll be happy to help you.